with confidence. When I got we roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know I want. When you turn me around, I want. When the neighbors shut turn down, we keep it going.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. It's another wig review today. Yes, the one we'll be revealing today is from HairSpells. It came with this gorgeous bag, as you can see. There's this card and they added this as a gift. Let's unbox it together. Yeah, that is the wig. It is Brazilian kinky coiling U-part wig. It's 150 density, and when you use my code CE10, you will get $10 off your purchase. Isn't that a good news? So look at how gorgeous the hair is. Wow, this U-part wig, it looks natural. When you have good hair, you don't need to stress yourself. You see the inside, it came with some combs, adjustable strap, and that is the wig. The hair is so soft and it's so gorgeous. So you just have to cut this from that middle, clip this into your hair, your natural hair, and it looks natural. This hair is really beautiful.
One time if you lie with me, just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibe.
The hair did not shed. I must tell you guys, it did not shed. Look at the inside. With the help of those clips, you can just clip it into your hair. Sorry. Not your head, your hair. Okay, so just watch what I want to do. You just have to clip it like this. It's very easy, when you have good hair. Me, I don't have good hair. Like my hairline, yes, is damaged, as you guys can see, but I was able to manage to do it. Okay, I was able. Even if you have the kind of my hair, I tell you, you'll be able to do it. Okay, you will come through with this hair. And if you have good hairline, oh, forget it. They will think it's your natural hair. That's one thing I like with this U-part wig. And it's very easy to install. In case if you are in a hurry, maybe you want to go out, you don't need anyone to help you. You just pop this on, clip it into your natural hair, and girl, you are good to go. So I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, the direct link to this very one on the description box. And don't forget, when you use the code CE10, you're going to get $10 off when you purchase this wig. Bet me you're not going to be disappointed when you buy this wig, because the hair is so beautiful. The coils are so lovely, they are so soft, and the hair is lightweight. When I wore it, it's as if I'm not wearing anything. And like I said, when you have good hairline, you're going to enjoy this. If your hair is full, oh, you've won jackpot. You know jackpot? You've won jackpot. Really, I'm telling you guys. So that is it. Don't forget, if you like it, all details about the wig will be on the description box. Don't hesitate to check that out. Okay, just look at it. Look at the coils. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? So you can do whatever you like with this hair. You can decide to do it corner part, you can do it side part, you can do it C part, you can do it any part that you want to do with this hair. You can just play with it. Okay, you guys will see what I did with this hair. Even me that don't have good hair, what I did, it was beautiful. God, just order this hair and play with it and enjoy it. All right, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night.